Hi, I'm Jerry Schulze, and I'm a lawyer in Little Rock. Why do I want a Google Netbook or 5 to try out? 140 words or a video? That's difficult to decide which way I'd be able to communicate more. I'd really rather do this in writing, but 140 words isn't quite enough. I've been a vigorous advocate and user of Google Apps ever since I discovered them. I used them for myself, and then I talked my partners into switching over to Google Apps when we moved our law firm. We got to get rid of an expensive server. We were going to have to buy another one and store documents on the cloud instead. That was a great thing to do. We also have the advantage now of being able to jettison programs like Outlook and use the Google applications for things like calendaring and other activities like that. I also teach continuing legal education programs for lawyers and for paralegals. I've been able to set up, not only do we have the Google apps that we use for our business, I set up a fake one to use for the paralegal and the paralegal course and the continuing legal education for lawyers. And frankly, my most recent CLE for lawyers probably sounded a lot like an advertisement for Google, and you didn't pay me a dime for that. I will send you the written materials for that presentation if you'd like to see those. I'm excited about the netbook idea. I'm excited about using Chrome as an operating system because while I don't know if it'll crash as much as Windows, it's certainly not likely to crash more, and I suspect it'll crash a whole lot less. I use Chrome as a browser now most of the time, and I'm really looking forward to watching Chrome as an operating system. I think that a bunch of netbooks that we can use and carry around the office would be very helpful, very productive. And frankly, I think that my business and businesses like mine would be very happy to actually pay for them. Unfortunately, we don't have that option yet. They're not for sale, but I do see that apparently they're available for testing. The people in my firm are very good at complaining about every technological glitch. I'm kind of the tech guy in the office, which in my office is damning with faint praise indeed. But I'd be willing to forward on all of the complaints we get and let you know the problems we do have. I'm looking forward to this technology. I think it's going to make my job easier, and anything that makes my job easier to me is a good idea. So that's why I'd like to ask you to send me about 5 of those Chrome netbooks. Let me try them out and let us put them to the test and see if we can figure out the problems that you'll need to fix so that the rest of the world can make them work. If we can make them work, anybody can. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to them being on the market, whether we get to be the beta testers or not. Thank you, and keep up the good work.